Is it possible for a bank to evolve from a local institution to a national powerhouse without a huge network of physical branches? Today, we're diving into the compelling story of EverBank, a specialty bank with roots in Florida that has become a prominent nationwide direct bank. Their journey is a perfect case study in adapting to the modern financial landscape, prioritizing digital service, and leveraging strategic growth. EverBank's story is one of transformation and strategic acquisition. While the bank's roots stretch back to 1961, the current incarnation traces its direct banking lineage to the late 1990s. In 1999, a group of founders led by Frank Trotter founded a company named EverBank. At the same time, another predecessor, First Alliance Bank, was operating and starting to make acquisitions. The major turning point came in 2002 when First Alliance Bank acquired EverBank, and by 2004, the combined entity officially adopted the EverBank name. This bank quickly became known as a pioneer in online and direct banking, offering high-yield deposit accounts and specialty services like foreign currency exchange that appealed to clients across the country, regardless of where they lived. This focus on digital access and competitive rates laid the foundation for its nationwide reach. The bank continued its expansion through strategic growth and acquisition, including the deposits of the Bank of Florida in 2010. In 2017, a major chapter began when TIAA acquired the bank, which was then renamed TIAA Bank. However, the EverBank name and its specialty banking focus were set for a comeback. In August 2023, funds managed by a group of private investors acquired TIAA Bank, and the name was officially returned to EverBank. This move marked a new era of independence and a renewed focus on nationwide growth and innovation as a specialty bank. By leveraging a high-performance digital platform, EverBank delivers its suite of consumer and commercial products to clients across all 50 states. While they maintain financial centers in key markets like Florida, California, and New York, their core strength remains in providing high-value, high-yield solutions that are accessible 24/7 online and by phone, truly solidifying its status as a nationwide direct bank. Their history is a testament to the idea that in the world of finance, reach is no longer defined by physical footprint, but by digital capabilities and specialized service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.